Have you ever needed to send an email to your teacher, a principal, or even someone you don't know very well? Writing a formal email is a great skill to learn. Today, we're going to explore how to write a formal email step by step so you can send messages that are clear, polite, and professional. Step 1. Choose a subject line. The subject line is the first thing the reader will see. It should be short and tell them what your email is about. For example, the subject could be homework assignment question or permission request for field trip. Step 2. Start with a greeting. The greeting is how you say hello in your email. Here are 3 ways to start your email. Hello. This is a simple and friendly way to start. It works well when you know the person a little bit. For example, hello, Miss Johnson. Dear. This is more formal and respectful, perfect for when you need to be polite. For example, Dear Mr. Brown. Dear Sir or Madam. Use this when you don't know the person's name, like when emailing a company or organization. Step 3. Write the body of your email. This is where you write your message. Be clear and get straight to the point. It's good to explain why you're writing and what you need. For example, I hope you're well. I am writing to ask for help with the math question you assigned. I'm having trouble with question 5 and would appreciate any advice you can give. Example number 2. I am writing to request permission to attend the school field trip next Friday. I have attached the signed permission slip to this email. Step 4. Close your email. To finish your email, use a polite closing phrase followed by your name. Sincerely. This is a formal way to close your email. For example, Sincerely, Emily Parker. Thank you. This is a polite way to end when you're asking for something or saying thank you. For example, Thank you, Sophia Martinez. Step 5. Review before you send. Check for spelling mistakes and make sure you've included everything you wanted to say. Here's an example checklist. Is the subject line clear? Did I start with the proper greeting? Is my message clear and polite? Did I close the email properly with my name? And there you have it. Now you know how to write a formal email. Whether you're sending a message to your teacher, a principal, or someone else important, these tips will help you make a great impression. For more information and resources related to writing a formal email, head to twinkl.com.